Hey everybody, how's it going? Today it's time to put in the rear windshield. So as you can see, it's not glass, it's Lexan. It's polycarbonate. Okay, there's the rear window install. I still got two rivets I gotta put in right in here. I gotta get some help. I gotta put a rivet on, or a washer on the back of the rivet, and I can't reach it by myself. I gotta have some help. So I'll get those later. But you can see it's taking shape. It's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to install a rear view mirror. So the video failed while I was installing this side spotter mirror. However, it's pretty simple install. It's just a split clamp that goes over the roll cage, and you clamp it on with a couple of right here, a couple Allen screws, and then the mirror is just your standard little ball type mirror that you can move around and adjust and then clamp down tight. But as you can see there, it kind of gives you a little idea when you're racing what's going on outside this corner of the car. Go back a ways, you can kind of see it still. So you're not really trying to look down all the way down the track with that. You're just trying to see who's right on the corner here of your car, right on the rear corner. If somebody's hovering around here, in your competition when you're turning in on a left-hand turn. Kind of gives you an idea who's there. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.